Hey guys, it's Toy Najaye from OutdoorssyBlackWomen.com, and we have an exciting giveaway from you from By the Way. I am always looking for really great solutions to deal with bug bites because spending time outdoors, sometimes the bugs can be a bit of a pest, but they are good for the environment, so don't kill them. But By the Way is a really cool gadget. It allows for you to have a chemical-free option to taking care of your bug bites, and it only uses heat. But in addition to our giveaway of the By the Way, we have a Wanderlust kit for you, and one lucky winner is going to win that, whether you would enter through TikTok or on OutdoorssyBlackWomen.com. So you can see the full Wanderlust kit here. We have a passport that gives you the instructions for how to use your By the Way. We have a Polaroid in here, a really cute sleeping mask, luggage tag from By the Way, a bottle, and t-shirt, and of course, this is super cute. It says, "Bitten by the travel bug." So if you've been feeling Wanderlust,
Whether you're hanging out in the outdoors or going to the beach, a By the Way is the perfect must-have for any adventure.
make sure you enter on OutdoorssyBlackWomen.com, and we look forward to seeing more of your adventures in the outdoors.